Good morning, dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. Have completed your books? Very good. So, today we are going to start with Block 10 from Grammar Book. Block 10 is about writing sentence. Up till now, you have learned so many things. Right from Block 5, adjectives using am, is, and are, prepositions, article and demonstratives, asking and answering questions. So by this time, we are ready for writing sentence. Now, how you have to write the sentence and what all things are necessary to write a sentence, we'll see in this chapter. Okay, so take your book to block number 10, page number 37, writing sentences. Okay, when you have to write a sentence, you should take care about two parts in that sentence. That is the naming part and the doing part. These two parts make a sentence, which is a very proper sentence to read and to write. So let's see what are these two parts. First, let us read what Molly says about building a sentence. Look, building a sentence is like making a sandwich. What she's telling? Building a sentence is like making a sandwich. How? That is naming part and doing part. Put a naming part and a doing part together and have a sandwich or a sentence. Now, what are naming parts? For example, who? Who is doing that? And doing part is does or what. For example, Sam reads a book. Now, here Sam is naming part. And what is doing part? Reads. And what is reading? A book. So you have to give both the parts, that is naming as well as doing. You have to take care of both the parts. We are talking about Sam and what he's reading. But what is reading? Is he reading a newspaper or a novel? He's reading a book. Yes. See the next sentence again. Molly rides a bike. Understood? Molly is a naming part, and what she is doing, the doing part is she rides a bike. Now here, see carefully. Sam reads a book. Molly rides a bike. Mother bakes a cake. A sentence starts with a capital letter, and every time you have to take care that your sentence should start with capital letter and it should end with full stop. Got it? It's so very easy. You have to begin with the naming part or doing part, whichever, but both the parts should be present in your sentence, and the sentence should start with capital letter and end with a full stop. For example, what are you doing? I'm just asking you a question. What are you doing? Here, what will be your naming part? And are you doing? That means I am asking you a question. So the answer should be I am reading a book. So I will be the naming part, and reading a book you are doing part. You are reading a book, or you may add you are reading a newspaper, you are reading a story book, or you are reading a Hindi book, or you are reading an article, or you are reading a novel. Like this, you have to take care about both the parts and be very careful that the first part or the sentence should start with capital and end with full stop. Is it easy? Understood? Very good. It's very small topic, and now you are going to solve the PDF as well as you are going to make your own sentences also by keeping all the necessary thing in your mind. You are going to make few sentence on your own. Okay, and this part again we are going to discuss during our online session. Okay kids, next time we'll meet with our online session. So till then, stay healthy, stay blessed. Bye bye.